How to get rid of spectacles naturally? First, take spectacles off as soon as you need them. It is just a few moments when you really need them. For example, at a school if you sit very far and cannot see, or if you drive at night, it is just a few hours a day. All the other time, when you walk, or at home, or in a gym, you no need to use spectacles. Let your eyes recover from spectacles. Let your eyes focus naturally. Second, the eye's natural functions are paralyzed in spectacles. Eyes cannot focus, cannot converge, cannot relax in eyeglasses. Just take your spectacles off as soon as you need them. It is important to develop it as a habit if you want to improve your eyesight naturally. Third, it is okay if something that you are trying to see is a bit blurry. It is nothing bad with that. Just learn to take it as it is and do not pressurize your eyes. Just relax your eyes and clear vision will come as soon as you change your vision habits. Fourth, don't put your eyes under pressure. It means do not strain your eyelids and do not squint, because only relaxed eyes can see well. All micromuscles and oculomotor muscles can work well when your eyes in relaxed and without strain. Fifth, learn to blink often and relax every second. It's greatly reduce eye fatigue and your eyes will focus much better. Eyes will be able to work much longer without eye strain if you blink often and correctly. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course, Eyesight Academy, to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia. The online program consists of 8 modules starting from mindset, recognizing bad habits of poor eyesight and eliminating them, and includes the best possible daily eye exercises from beginner to advanced level. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below.